Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Bedrin, the spokesperson of the IMTI Hybrids dodgeball team, and this is Ismail, the captain of the team, pretty much the star player also of the team, and he is pretty exhausted from the really absorbing first match. Well, we played for all of 20 minutes and the score was only 2-2. 4 matches in 20 minutes. Easily the most mentally absorbing match so far. As I probably wait for Ismail to grab his breath, I would like to talk a bit about the start of the match and towards the end of the match, which were very exciting. Both teams seem to have played a very defensive tactic, at least, with it being very cagey. Basically, both players were holding a very defensive lineup, and it was 2-1 towards the end when the pressure was all on the Hybrids to pull off either a draw or the win. And it was locked dead even when Ismail got knocked out, and at that point it was serious pressure on the Hybrids, being one player short and being a game down in the match. And luckily for them, players like Manwai and Paul stepped up to make crucial kills, and then they were all even, and then from then on it was a sort of a one-way train for the Hybrids, and lucky enough they managed to pull off the draw. And I think Ismail has got enough of a breath. It's time to ask him a few questions. Ismail, like I mentioned earlier, it has been easily one of the most physically and mentally absorbing matches so far.
It is.
What do you think would be the strategy for your team to sort of prepare mentally for the next match? Because now we know that mental capacity is equally as important as your physical capacity for the sport.
That's very true, Kuwain. I think all players must have a very good rest the day before, and not just physically prepared. Even if you're physically prepared and if you're mentally not prepared, it really absorbs you out of the game. And Taylor Storm played a really good game today. You know, they lost the first match, they were really disappointed, and they came back the second match really strong. And I think they played a very defensive game, all catches, and they improved a lot. And I look forward for our next match.
I think it was quite clear that they were taking some very good catches. Another thing that was quite obvious was you were not exactly having your best day on the court. And, but that being said, your teammates seem to have stepped up to the fore, and could you give us a little insight on who these players were that you felt really stepped up and really sort of carried the team through today?
Manwai, Julian, Paul, everyone in the team really proved themselves. That's why they're called teammates. Teammates have trust. We trust in each other.
I think it really showed on court today because although you were struggling, they really seemed to bring their A game on court, and I think that was important for the team's confidence also, because you went a game down and then they had to fight your way back up. It was very impressive. Lastly, Ismail, I'd like to ask you, having won the first match and drawn the second match, you're still not confirmed of your way through the group, so the next match will be very decisive. What do you think will be your key tactic against a very reputable Red Legion team?
I think our key tactics should be kept secret for now, and will only be released after the game, next match. I really look forward to the next match, and we're all really excited to get on with the game. Thank you.